Good day, it's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. Today I'm going to walk you through a little tip for Wireshark. So this applies to the command line, and this affects things like Tshark and dumpcap. I've written articles about the two, so if you're interested, you can always go back and take a look at those two, but I'm going to focus on dumpcap. So that's the command line tool we're going to use to capture packets. So from here, I'm just going to type dumpcap dash uppercase or capital D, enter. I get a list of all my adapters. So I'm going to capture from my killer adapter, which is number 8. So if I just do dumpcap dash I for interface, space, and the number 8, because that corresponds with my Ethernet card, enter, off you go to the races. So the default is your temporary folder, which is where I am now, but you can put it anywhere you want. And this is all default, but obviously you can change the name of the file. I'm just leaving everything alone to make life easy. And I can see that packet counter is incrementing over here. That means I've got data. So now, here's the thing. So the nice thing about the capture from the command line is you can put it in a batch file and you can schedule it at 10 a.m., 1 a.m., when an event happens, whatever. But the biggest request I get is, how do you stop it? So I want to stop it at 1 a.m., that sort of thing. How do you stop your capture once you've started it unattended? I don't want to have to log in and remote in and then hit Ctrl+C, that sort of thing. So what we're going to do, this works with Windows 7, 8, and 10. I'm just going to bring another command prompt over here. And I'm going to show you a really neat command. It's called task list. When you hit enter, it gives you a list of all the tasks that are currently running on your machine. Dumpcap will be here on this list somewhere. So you're going to go through this manually and look for it, or you can actually type a little bit more specific command, task list dash capital or uppercase F, uppercase I, double quote, image name EQ for equals, dumpcap.exe, and a double quote, enter. When you do that, it tells you that that's running, and that's the process ID and all that good stuff. The reason why we're doing that is I want to make sure I know what it's called for the task list command, because I'm going to use the task kill command. So I'm going to kill the task. All right, so here we go. So task list, I'm going to show you right here. I'm just going to copy and paste it so I don't have to type it. Task kill, all one word, no spaces. That's my biggest mistake. I always put a space in there. So task kill space slash uppercase F space slash uppercase I, uppercase M, and then space dumpcap.exe. So if you used Tshark, that would be tshark.exe, that sort of thing. So just keep your eye over here on the left hand side. I'm going to hit enter and bang, see, it stopped it. So the file name that it gave it was Wireshark underscore killer underscore year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds, and all that good stuff. So I just want to open this trace file. So I'm going to type Wireshark, that name, enter, and there it is. So Wireshark is opened up, and you can see the trace file that I just captured. So that's how we stop it. So I hope that helped. Have a good day. Bye for now.
You